guys, welcome back to the channel. This week I want to show you how easy is it to make mozzarella fresca at home.
For this recipe, you will need 8 liters of whole milk and put it in a large pot that sits in a larger pot filled with water. This is called a bain-marie. Dissolve 16 grams of citric acid into 250 milliliters of water. This part is very crucial. You need to add just a little bit of that water at the time into the cold milk and whisk very vigorously. Once you have incorporated all of the citric acid, it's time to open the flame and bring the milk to 90 Fahrenheit. Take 1 teaspoon of rennet and dissolve it into 60 milliliters of water. Pour that mixture evenly into the milk and stir for about 20 to 25 seconds. The rennet will coagulate the milk really fast. You don't want to destroy the curds. Let that sit for about 45 minutes at 90 Fahrenheit. With a long knife, cut the milk into cubes about 1.5 inch and don't forget to cut the side of the pot. From here, you want to slowly raise the temperature of the milk. Make sure you stir very gently so the temperature will raise to 110 Fahrenheit evenly and so you don't break the curds. Once you reach the desired temperature, let it sit covered for 5 minutes. Now it's time to separate the curds from the whey and don't throw away the whey. We will need it later. Use the method of your choice to drain the whey from the curds, but I found out that using a colander or a pasta strainer is a very good way to remove the whey. Make sure you make a good pressure on the curd to remove the most of the whey inside the curd. With the whey we kept from earlier, bring it at 185 Fahrenheit, and when you reach the temperature, put the curds into it for about 1 minute. Here I strongly suggest that you wear gloves because the curd will be very hot. So at this step, you want to take the curd while very hot, stretch it and fold it over to itself. Repeat this for 5 to 6 times. If it doesn't stretch well, maybe it's because the curd is too cold, so put it back in the whey if that happens. When you achieve the desired texture of mozzarella, make a nice taut ball like if you were doing a ball of dough. And this is it. We made a mozzarella fresca and it's ready to be served. It's beautiful.
Alright guys, we made homemade mozzarella. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, please leave a like. It makes a huge difference for the channel. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comment if you did, and see you in the next episode.